Hello everyone. I have already shared a video where you have to expand and simplify if the three brackets are given, but in those questions there wasn't any constant value along with the variable. So let's work with these kind of a questions. So first of all, we have to use the first two brackets and then we have to simplify it. So we'll write down 2y minus 3, 5y minus 4. Now we have to open the brackets. For that, we will multiply 2y with the whole second bracket minus 3 we multiply with the whole second bracket. Now we will open the brackets. So we'll get here 2y into 5y plus 2y into negative 4. Always write down the negative value within the bracket. Negative 3 into 5y, negative 3 into negative 4. Now we will multiply it. So we'll get here 2 into 5, 10. Y into y is y square. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 4 is 8. Y minus 3 into 5 is 15. Y minus into minus is plus. 3 into 4 is 12. Now we will solve the like terms. We'll write down here is equals to 10y square. Now minus 8y and minus 15y, they are the like terms. And when we will solve them, we'll get it equals to minus 23y plus 12. Now since we have already solved the first two brackets, now we'll write down 2y plus 3 first, and then we'll write down the answer which we got after simplifying the first two brackets, because that is the easiest way to solve it further. Now we'll open the bracket here. So 2y and then the whole second bracket plus 3, then the whole second bracket. Now once we will do that, then after that we have to open the bracket. So 2y into 10y square plus 2y into minus 23y plus 2y into 12. So that is for the first part of it. Then plus 3 into 10y square plus 3 into minus 23y plus 3 into 12. Now we will multiply here 2 into 10, 20. Y into y square is y raised to power 3. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 23 is 46. Y into y is y square. Then plus 2 into 12, 24. Y plus 3 into 10, 30. Y square plus into minus is minus. 3 into 23 is 69y plus 36. Now we will write the like terms together. 20y raised to power 3. This is y square, this is y square. We will write them together. Plus 30y square. Then 24y minus 69y. We will write them together because they are like terms, and then we will solve it further. So we'll get it equals to 20y raised to power 3. Now it's minus 46 plus 30. That would be minus 16y square. Now this is minus 69 plus 24. That means we have to subtract. So that would be equals to minus 45y plus 36. So that is how we can simplify this particular algebraic expression. I hope you understand it. I have already shared some links here in the description box where you can find out the different questions related to this particular topic. So do practice and do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel link with your friends. Thanks for watching.